time is it? Oh well, it doesn't matter. I have to farm today and take care of this whole farm. Oh, I'm so tired. But I have to get up. And it's only us and someone else next door, but soon I'll take you for your walk, Sammy. I promise. Let me change. First a shower. Now I can change. Okay, there. That's much better. Now let's brush our teeth. Okay, where's my toothbrush? Here it is. Kayla's toothbrush. There we go. So now let's go get something to eat. Alright, let's get some food. I'm starving. Okay, let's have some soda. And some watermelons. I'm trying to be the best vegetarian I can. Ow, that soda's not healthy. Now I definitely need to eat. This will be hard. The country air. I guess first we can farm. There we go. Now let's do that some more. And the rest I got. There we go. Now let's get this stacked. And this. Uh-oh. It'll be fine. It'll turn back to dirt. It's all drying up. Oh no. Okay. Oh, this is so hard. I can't wait when I move back to the city. I will have to do this every episode. Every day. Ooh, this all is turning back to dirt, which is really, really bad. Let's try this. Next, I'll check on the animals. Then, I'll take Sammy for her walk. I remember when I was in the city. Well, now let's check on the animals. All horsey. Hey, horsey. How has you been doing? Good. Okay. Now my mushrooms. Okay. My piggies. Hey, piggies. No, you cannot escape. Now, let's take Sammy for a walk. Hey, Sammy. Oh. Here's my rose. from when my boyfriend left me. Let's not talk about that. Oh, no. Stand. There we go. Come on, Sammy. Let's go for your walk. And I'll also get us some food. I'll have some bread and some melons. There you are. Come on. Let's walk around the house. Dumpty dumpty dum. Dumpty. I really wish you didn't leave me. Oh, there's your walk. Now let's scoop you back. And your room. Okay, let's scoot. That's fine. I really missed him. That doesn't matter right now. I have farm work to do, but that's pretty much it. I can't believe you left me. Just for this never girl. I'm so sad. I can't believe he did this to me. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. I hope that you enjoyed the love story part at the end. Yes, I did cry, but not in real life. But this will be a new series, Farm Life, and I hope you all enjoyed. Soon I will be going to the city, but first I have to take care of this little farm. Every day I have to farm. Every day I have to check on my animals. Next episode I might check on my neighbors over there. But let's see how will the love story end at the end of this series. What will Kayla do, and how will she do it? Dun dun dun. But anyway, I'll see you guys next episode.